Hey guys, welcome to Think Book community. So this is I'm one of the co-founder of Think Book guys. So I will be handling LinkedIn seminars in this YouTube channel. So I will be posting LinkedIn videos every week guys. So do follow this channel guys. So before you link into video guys, make sure to follow me Instagram, make sure to subscribe my channel. So even have Discord channel guys, I have given link in description. Use the link and join Discord channel. We have various events on the QA guys. So even we already started so many events. So don't miss out the opportunity guys. Do join the Discord channel, link in description guys. Now let's get into the video. Yes guys, so this is the first episode in our channel about LinkedIn. So in today's video I'm going to share few tips. I have seen people open LinkedIn account, they are not handling LinkedIn professional guys. So I'm going to share things tricks to use in LinkedIn to get good profile look whenever companies and come some student looking your profile guys. So let's get started. The first step I want to share, use the professional profile guys. So I have seen LinkedIn profiles of even few of my friends have LinkedIn, so they are using some kind of casual profiles. Let's say let's say for example a person is riding a bike and he just upload the profile photo in LinkedIn guys. So imagine guys, LinkedIn is not a social media, it's it's like a students community where you just need professional guys. So let's take in my opinion you can see my profile, so I have ping in here. So you just need to use the professional photo guys. So it should be, I'm not asking about you should wear a coat and suit. I'm just asking about you should be professional way. You should have a basic sense. You just need to have a basic photo. Let's say if you are going for college, you can have those shirts and those full hand shirts, you can use that. So even t-shirt is fine, like some odd basic stuff guys. So this is the first tip I want to share with you. The second trick I want to share with you guys, so join as many as groups possible guys. So don't join unnecessary groups. I have seen people open LinkedIn account, they just used to join lots of groups guys. So that's not going to help you out guys. So join your groups and community which have those groups which have your own interest guys. Let's say person A is let me use one example guys. So if a person A is good at web application, just join in groups which has content they're providing on web application guys. Don't ever join in lots of groups, and don't do spam guys. So it's a LinkedIn is not for the spam purpose, it's LinkedIn for the professional purpose guys. So the second tip I want to share, just join in groups which have your own domain, which are sharing the own content for your development guys. So the second tip I want to share with you. Third tip guys, so I have seen people just open LinkedIn account, they won't be uploading all details guys. Let's say if you open a LinkedIn first year, after when you're entering third year, you have been learning few internships, you have been completed some certificates, just upload everything in LinkedIn guys. So I have seen my friends they just open LinkedIn first semester, right now they're just uploading everything guys. So remember one thing guys, LinkedIn is not, it's a 24-hour social media guys, so where anyone can view a profile anytime guys. So that's the reason I feel when you're opening LinkedIn, just update as soon as possible. Let's say if you complete internship right now, just upload those in LinkedIn guys. Let's say if you publish some paper, just upload that in LinkedIn guys. So update everything you have in your hands right now guys. Don't wait for the time, just update as soon as possible. It's a third tip I want to share with you. The fourth tip guys, so this is a this is a tip this is a method, this is a myth, so whatever it may be. So there's a thing every college student follow guys. Even I was in my first semester I was thinking about this. It's nothing but students will thinking LinkedIn is only for the superstitious. Let's say if a third year final year student, they will think LinkedIn is only for those students. It's a myth guys. So don't follow the stuff. So my request guys, when you just enter in college, let's say if you complete 12 standards, after when you enter in college, just start opening LinkedIn guys. So why? Because we are not in 90s kids guys, so we're in 2K kids. Look, nowadays kids are just advanced in every kind of field. So recently I had seen one profile in LinkedIn. So he's just 17 years old, he doing freelancing for, he earning around 25k per month guys. So I'm I didn't own in single loop in my 17 years old. So let's imagine comparing my profile, that fellow profile, he's genius guy, just in 17 years old, just earning 25k, he's doing freelancing for some clients, content writing. So when I just enter a college, just start LinkedIn guys. So even if possible, if you have good knowledge in phone, if you own your phone, you can start your LinkedIn when you are in school life guys. So ideal way is that when you enter college, just start LinkedIn, opening LinkedIn account guys. The fourth tip I want to share with you. final thing I want to share with you guys. So I have seen people like just open LinkedIn account, they won't be like mention about us guys. So like you can find like after profile photo, after your name, you can find details of yourself guys. Let's say in my profile, you can see in my profile guys, link in description. So when you go to my profile, I'll be like handling a founder of the Think Book guys. So you just need to mention like what a description, like designation you are in. Like let's say if a student, just mention student at like XY8 college. If you're a working professional IT employee, just like mention software development at some random company. So in my case, I'm a founder, so I just like mention like those stuff here guys. So like, why? Because this is an important point. Like whenever like people like just like go to LinkedIn, when they have to find your contact, they will like looking for the what kind of designation you are looking for it. So let's say if you're like opening a network, so we have a tab in network, my network. When you just click on a my network tab, like you will get like lots of content. So whenever like person who your profile, they will seeing like profile photo and name and what designation you are from. They won't be clicking your profile guys. So once they get satisfied using your like seeing a profile, seeing a name and designation, they will be clicking your profile guys. So once they click profile, if they find like like good at, they can like connect with you guys. So that is I want to share with you guys. So like when I said like they will see in profile guys, so in the first step I said about you should have a professional photo and a name and then the designation guys. Yes guys, these are 5 steps I want to share with you as a beginner to LinkedIn. So these are 5 tricks and tips you just need to keep in mind when you're opening an account guys. So the first series in our channel about LinkedIn, so like I will be uploading like I just planned about 6 series of LinkedIn guys. So the first series, so like 5 more to come. So every week I will be uploading like LinkedIn series guys. That's it for today's video guys. So like this is from my end. So like even we have like 3 more founders of the Think Books, they will uploading some other stuffs. So do check out my videos and those videos guys. It will be good knowledge for you guys. That's it for today's video guys, and don't forget to join this channel. Don't forget to follow us Instagram to get more updates. Do subscribe. Thanks a lot.